8 passes, knees or hitches, whatever. What do you guys call them? Okay, so when you do a passe, your toe has to be right next to your leg. It should hit there every time. And you don't draw it up slow, you pull it up hard. It's the same thing with turns. The faster you get that passe up, the better your turn, because you're going to rotate faster. So you want to pull that up hard. So we're going to go 8, down, 7, down, right like that. Okay, here we go. Let's try it. Ready? You don't have to do it every time. You can help me watch. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, down, 7, down, 6, 5, down, 4, down, 3, 2, 1. Fix your feet. You know what I'm saying? Like right here. You are just going like this, but you're not going like hit, hit. I want it to kind of like kind of a, I don't know how to explain it, but kind of a spaz. Let's do that. Ready? Okay, 8 of them. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit, hit. Like, try to stop. Try to pause there a second. Try to go like that. Okay, ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, down, 7, down, 6, down, 5, down, 4, 3. That was better. 1, down.